Have you ever paused to ponder how profoundly science influences your daily life? From the moment we wake up to the time we go to sleep, science is interwoven into every facet of our existence. The technology we use, the health treatments we receive, even the food we eat, all are products of scientific exploration. And behind these advancements often stand individual scientists, their tireless work shaping our world. Today, we delve into the life and achievements of one of the most influential scientists in history, Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein, a household name synonymous with genius, was born in 1879 in the Kingdom of Württemberg, Germany. His parents, Hermann and Pauline Einstein, were not especially academically inclined themselves, but they nurtured their firstborn child in a loving, well-rounded environment. Young Albert was not a prodigy from the start. In fact, he didn't start speaking until he was around 3 years old. This delay caused some concern, but it turned out to be an early sign of Albert's thoughtful nature. He was the kind of child who thought long and hard before speaking, a trait that carried on into his adult life. When Albert was around 5 years old, his father gave him a compass. The invisible force that made the needle point north fascinated young Einstein. The mystery of the unseen force operating in the background stirred a sense of wonder in him, sparking his lifelong passion for understanding the physical world. Einstein's formal education began in Munich at a Catholic elementary school. He then moved on to the Luitpold Gymnasium, where he received a rigorous education in classical languages and mathematics. However, the rigid educational system didn't suit his curious, questioning mind. When he was about 15, his family moved to Italy, leaving him in Munich to finish his schooling. However, the independent Einstein decided to leave school and join his family in Italy. It was during this period that he wrote his first scientific paper titled The Investigation of the State of Ether in Magnetic Fields. Einstein's unconventional path through education was not an easy one. He eventually made his way to the Swiss Federal Polytechnic in Zurich, where he graduated in 1900 as a teacher of physics and mathematics. His early life was filled with challenges and setbacks, but they did not deter him. Einstein's passion for understanding the universe's mysteries was evident from a young age. 1905, often referred to as Einstein's Annus Mirabilis, or miracle year, was a pivotal time in his career. This was the year when a 26-year-old Albert Einstein, then a patent examiner, embarked on a journey that would forever change our understanding of the universe. In this year alone, Einstein published 4 groundbreaking papers that would shake the very foundations of physics. Each one of these papers introduced concepts that were revolutionary, daring, and to some, outright heretical. The first paper presented a theory on the photoelectric effect, which explained how light can eject electrons from a material. It was a pivotal moment in the development of quantum mechanics, suggesting that light behaves not only as a wave but also as a particle. Next came a paper on Brownian motion, providing a convincing evidence for the existence of atoms and molecules. By explaining the random motion of particles in a fluid, Einstein offered a key piece of empirical evidence supporting atomic theory. The third paper, perhaps the most famous, introduced the theory of special relativity, effectively rewriting our understanding of space and time. It challenged the absolute nature of space and time, setting the stage for a new paradigm in physics. Finally, Einstein published a paper that introduced the world to the most famous equation in physics, E equals mc squared. This simple yet profound equation posits that energy, E, is equal to mass, m, times the speed of light, c squared. In essence, it showed that mass and energy are interchangeable, a concept that would later give birth to nuclear energy and the atomic bomb. In a single year, Einstein had revolutionized our understanding of light, matter, space, time, and energy. His theories challenged the status quo, inviting us to see the universe from a radically different perspective. These papers not only shaped his career but also fundamentally transformed the field of theoretical physics. Einstein's groundbreaking work didn't stop in 1905. It was just the beginning of his journey that would lead him to develop one of the most profound theories in physics, the theory of general relativity. This theory, which Einstein worked on for a decade after his miracle year, is a testament to his scientific prowess and his unparalleled persistence. General relativity is essentially a theory of gravity. It diverges from Newton's law of universal gravitation by describing gravity not as a force but as a consequence of the curvature of space-time caused by mass and energy. Picture a trampoline with a heavy ball in the center. The ball warps the trampoline, causing smaller balls to roll towards it. That's essentially how Einstein viewed gravity, a warping of space-time by mass and energy. But a theory is only as good as its evidence, and general relativity's defining moment came on May 29, 1919, during a total solar eclipse. British astrophysicist Arthur Eddington led expeditions to Príncipe Island and Sobral, Brazil, to observe the light from distant stars passing close to the Sun. According to general relativity, the Sun's mass should warp space-time enough to slightly bend the starlight, making the stars appear slightly out of position. And that's exactly what Eddington's teams observed, confirming Einstein's theory. The results of Eddington's expeditions were announced later that year, making Einstein an international sensation overnight. His revolutionary theory not only confirmed that the universe was far stranger than anyone had imagined, but also that our understanding of it had to change. Newspapers around the world proclaimed the dawn of a new scientific era and hailed Einstein as its pioneer. Einstein's theory of general relativity forever changed our understanding of gravity and the universe. It marked a turning point in theoretical physics, laying the groundwork for our current understanding of black holes, gravitational waves, and the expanding universe. And it all started with a man daring to imagine the unimaginable. Einstein's later years were as intriguing as his early life. With the rise of the Nazi Party in Germany, Einstein sought refuge in the United States in the early 1930s. Princeton University in New Jersey became his new home and intellectual sanctuary, where he continued to explore the mysteries of the universe. His work at Princeton was not confined to theoretical research. Einstein's profound understanding of the universe's workings led him to address one of the most significant global events of his time. In 1939, he penned a letter to President Franklin D. Roosevelt, alerting him to the potential of creating a powerful bomb using nuclear chain reactions. This letter was a catalyst for the Manhattan Project, the United States' effort during World War II to develop the world's first atomic bomb. Yet despite his role, Einstein always maintained a pacifist stance, advocating for the peaceful use of scientific knowledge. Einstein's later life was not solely dominated by his contributions to atomic theory. He continued to delve into the heart of physics, grappling with a unified field theory, a theory that could potentially explain all physical phenomena. Although he never succeeded in formulating a widely accepted version, his tenacious pursuit of this idea demonstrated his relentless commitment to understanding the universe's deepest secrets. His death in April 1955 marked the end of an era, but Einstein's legacy lives on. His contributions to science are as relevant today as they were during his lifetime. His theories continue to guide modern physics and cosmology, providing a foundation for our understanding of the universe. Moreover, his insatiable curiosity and dedication to the pursuit of knowledge remain an inspiration for scientists and thinkers worldwide. Einstein once said, "I have no special talent. I am only passionately curious." It was this passionate curiosity that drove his scientific pursuits, a flame that burned brightly until his final moments. Einstein's scientific pursuits didn't cease until his final moments. Albert Einstein's legacy is more than just a theory or an equation. It's a testament to a life dedicated to the relentless pursuit of knowledge, a life marked by curiosity, and a life that has, without question, changed the world as we know it. Consider this. A young, rebellious boy from Ulm, Germany, who was once thought to be a slow learner, would later become the defining figure of modern physics. His early life, filled with challenges and struggles, was just the prologue to an extraordinary journey of discovery. From the miracle year, where he published 4 groundbreaking papers, to his revolutionary theory of general relativity, Einstein's work has left an indelible mark on the scientific landscape. His theories have shaped our understanding of time, space, and the very fabric of the universe. But Einstein's impact doesn't stop at the realm of science. His philosophical reflections on life, his advocacy for peace and education, and his undying belief in the power of imagination have touched the hearts and minds of generations. His thoughts and ideas continue to inspire, challenge, and provoke. Einstein's life was not without its trials and tribulations, but through it all, he remained steadfast in his quest for truth and understanding. His life story serves as a testament to the power of curiosity, the pursuit of knowledge, and the profound impact one person can have on the world.